analogy of sports cars, skeletal muscles are like very fast, powerful sports cars, right? But the key here is they are under your control. You drive them. You decide how fast you're going to drive them, right? What skeletal muscles do is attach to bones and allow you to move voluntarily, just like when you decide to drive a car. Otherwise it's stationary, it doesn't go anywhere, right? It's when you decide to do it. So that's the example of skeletal muscles and sports cars. Now they do have these cylindrical fibers that are very striated, like they're stripy a bit, and then they also have nuclei, multinucleated, and they tend to have nuclei in the peripheral surfaces. So I mean, it makes sense that they would have multiple nuclei, right? Because they require a lot of power. So there's a lot that goes into skeletal muscle. Now, the other key component that we've already sort of talked about is this is a muscle that is completely voluntary. Just like you may have a sports car in your garage, but unless you get in there and drive it, it just sits there. It's not really excitable or it's not turned on. So what we want to do when we think about skeletal muscle is remember that it can be at rest and you are the one who controls whether it's activated or not. So that is really important. Now, what are these striations? What are these stripies about? Well, basically they're like these perfectly lined up, I don't know, headlights on a sports car, or maybe they're like, the stripes you see on a sports car, like I've seen it in NASCAR or whatever. Anyway, these striations are caused by arrangements of two types of protein, actin and myosin. Now, actin and myosin are found in muscle tissue, and they tend to be these repeating units. They're in these repeating units called sarcomeres. And the precise structure of these sarcomeres allows muscle to contract quickly and forcefully. But just like your sports car that may sort of run down or tire out, run out of gas or whatever, your muscles can also tire out very quickly if you push them too hard. So that's what you have to remember about skeletal muscle.